Scusi.
Ma scusa, un bazzacatto, porco Dio, già paura i cavalli, Dio cane. Ma su con la motocross, no, Dio cane.
Vado via, scusi.
È 8 anni che stai qui sempre a correre.
No, oggi io sono venuto oggi.
Oggi? Anche l'altra settimana ci stai qui.
Vado via, scusi.
Guarda che c'ha cavalli. Porco Dio che c'ha paura.
Vado via, scusi, guardi.
Che scusa un bazzacatto, porco Dio.
Sì. Calmi.
Porco Dio, guarda lì, da solo, un altro portato.
Vado via, guardi. No, non ci sono problemi, vado via.
Hai visto che c'è cavalli? Qua pure c'è cavalli che c'ha paura.
Vado via, guardi, no. Oggi?
La settimana passata.
No, non ero, io sono venuto oggi, guardi. No, io sono di qua. Vado via. Guardi, vado via, non vengo più, non le do più fastidio.
It just rolled up here.
Did I tell you not to ride through my yard? Don't drive that bike through my yard. Where do you live?
Well, I'm not going to tell you where I live.
You live over there in that house on the corner?
No.
Because I'm going to go back and see your parents.
Okay, well, I just rolled up here.
Don't come through my yard on this bike. You go around that street. Vehicles are supposed to go on the street, not through my yard. Now don't do that.
Alright.
Don't ever let me catch you doing that again. I'll find out where you live and tell your parents.
Alright.
I'm not going to tell you again. What the fuck you doing back here? Bullshit, get out of here.
Okay. We're good?
Alright, now listen, you get one fucking chance.
Alright.
Because I can throw your ass right in jail right now.
Alright.
Fucking phone call.
Alright, sorry, sir.
Ain't no fucking sorry. If this ain't your fucking...
What's that?
The next time, if there is one,
Alright.
I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm so fucking mad right now I can't see straight.
Alright, sorry.
And I'll tell you, one fucking phone call, these go, and you go in. You don't get these back.
Alright,
You know that?
I didn't know that. Thanks. for giving us a chance to get out of here, but, you know, we're sorry about that.
Yeah, my cousin just came up from Fort Wayne, and we don't know where to ride around here.
Where do you live?
Right in Coldwater, in the city.
How'd you get these out here?
We drove them on here.
My brother's house.
Where?
Down a dirt road, down Coffin.
And he said you could ride back here?
No, we don't have a spot on how we get out of here.
That's the way we came in.
Follow my ass out. First of all, your brother lives in what house?
The brick house down the road.
So we just started in the field, with raining kit, you go back and forth on that. Yeah, the Albright property, and we came today, and we seen.
We see some trails.
We just seen this trail we thought was for ATVs. So we just. What's your brother's name? We'll follow you out of it. What's your brother's name?
Mike,
What house does he live in?
that brick house right off of Calkins, the first house right there.
What house? I don't understand what house.
Can we just go? I mean, you're giving us a chance, so.
All right, you can, all right? What I'm interested in is, if your brother said you could ride back.
No one said we could ride back here.
I asked the Albright. He said we could ride in the field, but I didn't realize it went onto your property.
I mean,
Yo.